Alright guys, so now that everything is set up and I talked to you, about the general store setting, how to set up your first store, it's now time to publish it and testing it. So what you want to do is, of course, do a quick preview and test your store. Now that your store is set up and you are almost ready to start making money, the next thing you want to do is to test your store to make sure that all the right parts are in place. The best way to go about this is not doing it by yourself. Instead, you can just quickly ask a friend or a family member to visit the website and see if they like it and can easily navigate it. Tell them to be 100% honest about what they think. If they have questions, this can be useful for you to enhance the experience for your customers. Take notes so that you can go back and make, the necessary changes. The first thing you want to do is make sales allowable for people that visit. As part of the test, you want to temporarily set up credit cards so that your friend can make a purchase that doesn't actually go through, just a test. To do this, go to settings, then account. So you just click here, settings, account, and insert your billing information below. Okay, you might want to change your plan type too. Just click the link below. You can then, on the billing cycle, like I said, you can just select the one you like. I choose the first one and then confirm the changes. Okay, next you want to remove the storefront password so that your store goes live and customers are able to make purchases. Then go into payments to set up prevention of bogus payment with credit cards. You can just select for testing bogus gateway, then allow it to be activated by clicking on activate. You can just click on payments by clicking settings in your admin panel, and here you can click edit, and then you can use test mode, okay, to start testing orders. Your next step is visiting the store to go through the process of making a purchase. You want to pay close attention to each step of the process to see if there is room for improvement. When everything looks fine, go back and deactivate the bogus gateway. Just remove here the test mode and choose a real credit card instead. Now I'm going to show you how to manage orders. To get into the sections, just click on orders, which is right here. Just click on that, and if the test purchase went correctly, you see the fake order there. If you want to see more information about this specific order, just click on the order number. You can also check abandoned checkouts. Okay, right here, just click on that. This happens when a customer goes into the checkout with an item, but they don't actually finalize the purchase. There's not much that you can do about this, but you will see all the abandoned checkouts. You can check the history of the orders also. You can also cancel an order in case a customer changes his or her mind. So I would say congratulations for now. You now have a fully functional Ecom store. I hope you're happy with the results, excited and confident knowing that you can build an e-commerce platform with Shopify.